We have a 2012 Dodge Challenger. This vehicle came in to do a backup camera to the factory radio, and we also added the adapter to unlock all of the features for the GPS navigation and the video bypass to watch movies on the go. We'll go into reverse to show you the backup camera. It turns on with the parking assist lines. Park the vehicle, it goes away. Now to activate the adapter that's back behind the radio, what we're going to do is turn off the head unit, turn it back on, turn off, turn it back on. You cycle it twice. It comes with an LED indicator light that we mount right down here in the little cubby pocket. When we push the off button, push it back on, it will start to flash. Then we turn it off and on one more time, and it stays on solid. At this point, the video has been bypassed. You can watch movies on the go on the factory radio, and it will no longer go into a blank screen. And all of the GPS navigation features, like changing the address while you're on the move, will now be unlocked, and you'll be able to set up any GPS feature while you're moving the vehicle. If you want to deactivate the adapter, you simply turn it off again and turn it back on, and the solid green light goes away. And it's as simple as off and on again to power up the adapter again. Solid green light indicates the adapter is on. With or without the adapter being turned on, the factory radio will always show the backup camera. Here the adapter is on, you can see solid green. I'll turn it off and on. There, the light is off. Go in reverse, backup camera comes on again. We can set up most vehicles with this type of adapter. Come by the shop, check us out. We're open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. Closed on Sunday. 2012 Dodge Challenger. This one's all set and ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound and Security. See you guys on the next one.